Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be featuring a black owned boutique, and it's called Allure Couture. It is actually made by a YouTuber. Her name is Simone Shanice or Charisse on Simone Charisse here on YouTube, and she has the boutique Allure Couture. You guess, can you figure out that I like supporting black YouTubers? Because YouTube is not easy, and when they go into businesses, I really like to support them. So Allure Couture is from a black YouTuber. She is of Jamaican descent. So go support her brand, and these are the items that I purchased from her. And I purchased 2 items from her. Her shipping was impeccable. Her site looks great, so I had no complaints there. And it comes in a bag like this with a sleeve on it. Pink tissue paper. In plastic bags. 2 items from her. I got this dress right here. And it has this all the way down in this color, and I also have
I have a drink to use makeup.
a lip gloss I have on, so it should be fine. Thank you.
You know the sleep?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, so you sleep all day?
I will be dead in when the pin them go take a nap today.
Okay.
What is it? And then this one. Can't even, it looks it has to be shown on, okay? It's better on, but the quality is amazing. It's impeccable. Okay, I got this in a medium. I got both of them in a medium. I honestly wish I had gone up a size and gotten a large, because I actually thought on the side it looks like these are midi length, but they fall just right above the knee. And with me, I kind of have a big booty, so for reference, I'm 37 bust, 33 to 34 waist, and I'm a 45 hip. My booty's kind of big, okay? And when it comes on to mini dresses, I always like to go a size up, because when I walk, my booty kind of like rides up my dress. If you have an okay size booty, then you will know what I'm talking about. So I like to go up a size, especially if the dresses are midi. But on the side they look like, especially if the dresses are mini, but on the side they kind of look like a midi, so that's why I went with a medium. But and this one with this lining underneath the boob area, I definitely could have used a large, but the other one fits perfectly. I'm gonna try them on so you guys see. So let's get into the try on portion. And tell them I sent you, Brains and the Beat. If you go shop there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.